gives this problem to solve. Evaluate the integral of x factorial dx. Can you solve it before A? If you can, pause and try. Now let's see the complete mathematical solution of B. Pi b begins by expressing x factorial using the Euler gamma function definition. Swapping the order of integration gives the exact double integral representation in terms of t to the x over natural log t. Next, pi b explores Stirling's approximation formula, which contains the square root of 2 pi x times x over e to the power x. Integrating asymptotically yields the dominant approximation. X factorial divided by natural log of x plus c. For values of x near 0, pi b uses the Taylor series expansion of the gamma function involving the Euler-Mascheroni constant gamma, producing a clean polynomial power series antiderivative. Pi a is thoroughly impressed with all three rigorous evaluation methods. Pi b has completely solved the problem.